Hey, everybody, it's Mark Schultz with DigitalAircraft. And today I have a very interesting subject. And the reason that it's interesting is because it has a very significant impact on the aviation industry today. And we're going to focus on parts and materials and the ability to be able to deliver them successfully and digital technology. And in order to be able to do that, I brought an expert with me here today, Waqar. Waqar, thanks and welcome. And I'm glad to have you with us today.
Thanks for having me, and thanks for this humble introduction. I appreciate it.
Very good. Excellent. Hey, listen, can we just start out by having you tell everybody really just who you are and what do you do, please?
Yeah, so I'm from TraCert, and TraCert is a company in Estonia. It's a startup, and it provides simple solution to complex problems. For example, right now there's a problem in the like everywhere. I think aviation industry or any kind of industry that makes parts that has different kind of documents, and it's difficult to keep track of those documents. So what we do is we use blockchain technology and cloud storage, and we bring them together to provide you, the user, suppliers, OEMs, to have a better service, better track of their documents.
Yeah, well, there are absolutely a lot of business challenges that we're faced with and potential solutions and alternatives. And you know that I'm passionate about digital. And so I'd like to just jump in and have some conversations with you about that, if that's okay. All right.
Oh, yeah. I know your passion. You're extremely passionate about it. Yeah. I love
Very
it.
good. Very good. Well, let's start out with this. Is that let's talk a little bit about the business challenges that people are really faced with. Is it what do you think are some of the early business challenges that people are faced with, maybe surrounding materials or availability of materials to start with?
I think it's really simple to keep track of the documents associated with those parts. So what's happening is that many people don't even know where their parts are. For example, if they're ordering something, if they're getting something made, or if they have integrated some part already into their machinery, their plane in aerospace industry, then they need to keep track of that. And what's happening is that right now paper documentation is being used by many companies in aerospace, and what happens is that the documents themselves, they get disintegrated, they get destroyed. Even if they're not destroyed, then you can't keep track of those. How? Because there are so many documents. There are like thousands, hundreds of thousands of documents. How do you know? How do you keep track of, oh, this document belongs to this part, this document belongs to this part? And even if you can, how do you store them? There's a lot of cost involved with that. And yeah, and I can I can go on and on and on, but yeah.
Yeah.